welcome back to my channel. Today's a haul video. Okay, I do have a main channel where I tell scary stories that I find fascinating on the internet, and that would be down below, so click that if you want to listen to some scary stories. Okay, I went to Hobby Lobby and Target. I'm gonna start with Hobby Lobby. And this first thing that I saw, look how cute. It's for Easter. So it's a bunch of little flowers. Cute. Okay. So I'm out of breath. I was trying to sort everything. And then I got this. That was 40% off. This is 50%. It's so pretty. So pretty. I want to put like some of my like journals and stuff. Cute. Okay. And then ignore my hair. I got this little cowboy hat. And so the vintage. I may take that off. But it's vintage. It's the inside. Okay, next up is Target. We got some salted caramel ice cream or gelato. They're on sale. I think it was like 25% off. And then some of these. The Hershey's Zero Sugar. So good. These are my favorite. The Reese's Pieces Zero Sugar. And that's about it. This is short. I would do a proper room tour. Yes. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make this at least 3 minutes. This pillow is new. It is from Kirkland's. Look how pretty it is. And then for the fall, so cute. What up? And then on my dresser, just take you with me, come here. Yeah, my whole bed is new. Like, it's a mixture of Bed Bath & Beyond and JCPenney's. Like, the sheets are... I will leave a link to my video of me upgrading to my bed. All the links are in there. Or at least where I got everything from. I'm trying to see what else is new. That's about it. Okay. And this is new. It has clovers on it. And the magazine is new. Little kitten. That's about it. This is not new. This is a cute little clock. It's new. This bed is new. Sam's. Kirkland's. Okay. I did a video of my bed. Okay, I'm gonna do an extra tour. This is new. Hobby Lobby. As I said, my bed is new. Excuse the mess, but I have to show you. This nightstand is new. The plan is new. I have her for about 6 months. Yeah, about almost a year. So, yeah. I'll do a proper room tour. Ignore that. Okay, so that is the video. If you guys like it, please subscribe. Subscribe to my other channel as well. Like this video, hit the notification bell, and comment videos you would like to see.